Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that it is quite possible that this novel coronavirus, from what I have been reading on the news, I might be wrong about it. The news outlets might be wrong about their analysis, but again, it's just speculation at this point. No one knows for sure the origin of this novel coronavirus, but it seems that there is a possibility that this novel coronavirus was actually leaked from a lab in Wuhan, the Wuhan province of China. Basically, the Wuhan Institute of Virology might have been doing gain of function research on a strain of coronavirus that was then that strain of coronavirus might have developed into this novel strain of coronavirus. So again, this is not proven. This is not. I'm not a scientist. I'm not a virologist. I'm not an expert in these topics. I am just repeating or at least I'm just giving you. I'm just talking about what I read in basically one news article and some YouTube videos. So again, no one for sure knows the origin of this novel coronavirus. It is quite possible that the origin of this novel coronavirus is actually natural and there was no genetic manipulation involved basically humans did not manipulate this virus for some other strain of coronavirus for creating this novel strain of coronavirus. But that does not mean that it is impossible, because from what I have read from that news article, specifically, that it is quite possible that you can actually, not only can you manipulate a strain, a particular kind of coronavirus, but you can also manipulate it in such a way that other researchers, other expert virologists would not be able to detect would not be able to tell whether this strain of coronavirus is artificially created or naturally created. Basically, a quote-unquote seamless way of manipulating the genetics of a virus strain. It can be done by expert scientists. So it just shows that the world is, or basically, all kinds of things are possible in this world. Science has progressed, and medical science has progressed so far that now scientists can basically manipulate viruses in such a way, or can basically manipulate not just viruses, any kind of pathogen. It can be bacteria, it can be virus, it can be fungus, whatever kind of pathogen that you might want to use. But any pathogen can be manipulated and modified by scientists to create even more deadly pathogens, deadly strains of pathogens that might cause a worldwide pandemic. We are obviously going through this novel coronavirus pandemic, and I wonder, is China the only country that is doing this kind of research? By the way, is the lab leak hypothesis true? Right now, I don't think anyone can tell, and I don't think anyone will be able to tell for sure whether this novel strain of coronavirus is actually natural born, or did it actually come come into existence because of genetic manipulation by Chinese scientists or scientists of other nations as well. All kinds of things are possible, but right now we don't have any evidence, and I am predicting, or at least I am, it is my assumption or a guess, let's say, that I don't think we will ever know the true origin of this novel coronavirus. There will always be debate about this, because from what I read, it is very difficult to tell whether a particular strain of virus or particular strain of pathogen has been manipulated and modified artificially. If a truly expert, truly truly expert virologists are actually modifying genetically or basically modifying the genetics of a particular strain of virus, it would be very hard to detect for other virologists to say that very hard to say that for other virologists that okay, this strain of virus is an artificially manipulated strain of virus, and this strain of virus is a naturally born strain of virus, because technology has progressed to that extent in this field that now all kinds of genetic manipulation might be occurring all around the world, and we would not be able to detect it at all, because the scientists are so good at genetic manipulation that no one would be able to detect it. I think this is my assumption. I might be wrong about it, but this shows the kind of world we live in. And I for one am not ever going to say that it's just the Chinese that are doing this. Let us just be honest. I'm pretty sure each and every country has developed deadly strains of pathogens for the sake of biological warfare, in case they do need these pathogens to fight other countries, or God knows do what to. But I'm pretty sure every country has done their share of dirty things and has their share of skeletons hidden in their closets. More on this in the next video. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. And let's hope that we can defend ourselves against any kind of pathogen, genetically manipulated or natural born. So until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.